We just arrived with a plane from Freiburg. I had a donation call and 80 people brought me their stuff to my home, which was amazing stuff like medicine and clothes and all kinds of kitchen stuff for the home shelter in Przemyśl. We're just now bringing it to Medica, to the warehouse from UAid direct. Plane flown by an amazing pilot from Freiburg will go back first to Milano to bring 2 patients there to the hospital and then back to Freiburg. Ukraine Air Rescue does this on a very regular basis.
All right.
I cooperate with Einländler in Freiburg, which helps me with the donation and transport, with Ukraine Air Rescue, who organizes these flights, and with UAid Direct, who takes care that all of the donations are going to Ukraine.